camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert, is a remarkable creature with a multitude of fascinating features. Native to arid regions of the Middle East and Africa, camels have adapted to harsh desert environments in ways that make them truly unique. One captivating fact about camels is their ability to survive for extended periods without water. Their bodies are equipped to conserve water efficiently, allowing them to endure weeks without drinking. When they do find water, camels can consume up to 40 gallons in one go, rehydrating rapidly to sustain themselves for the next journey. Camels have two distinctive humps on their backs, a characteristic that sets them apart from other camelids like llamas and alpacas. Contrary to popular belief, these humps are not water storage containers. Rather, they store fat, which can be converted into energy and water when food and water are scarce. This unique adaptation allows camels to thrive in environments where resources are unpredictable. In addition to their physical adaptations, camels also possess a remarkable immune system. They can endure high temperatures and are resistant to many diseases that would affect other animals. Their long legs and broad, tough feet facilitate movement across sandy terrains, making them well suited for traversing the vast deserts they call home. These intriguing characteristics make the camel a symbol of resilience and adaptability, perfectly designed to navigate the challenges of desert life.